cooking rice can sometimes be a bit tricky, so here are some tips on how to get perfect rice every time. First of all, how much rice? So we tend to go with about half a mug of rice per person is plenty, that's a good portion. And then we add exactly double that in water. So for every half mug of rice, we're going to have 1 mug of water. So we're going to cook rice for 2 people here, so we're going to have 2 mugs of water and 1 mug of rice. So we add our water to the pan and then bring that to the boil. Once that's brought to the boil, we add our rice, and this is when we stir it once. We never stir it again, just stir it this time. Bring it back to the boil, and once it is back to the boil, we turn it down to very, very low. Do not be tempted to stir it again, it will just go stodgy. So now you just simmer it as gently as possible with a lid on the pan. We want to simmer this gently for about 8 to 10 minutes, but check it every now and again. So what you can do is gently tip the pan to the side to see if there's still water in it. So what we're looking for is all of that water to evaporate, and so we can check it every now and again. We can also take a little mouthful to see if it's cooked through. If it's cooked through, then we stop here and all the water should be gone. If you've cooked it a little bit too fast, sometimes that water can boil away too fast before it's actually cooked. You can add maybe half a cup or half a mug of boiling water and continue to cook it, and then just keep checking it. Once it's cooked, you can fluff it up a little bit like this with a spoon. Again, no need to do a big stir here, but that should be your perfect rice. Don't forget, there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.